and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm out and about again today in Cardiff, and I've come to visit Laura from the Tidy Kitchen Company.
Hi.
And Laura's been showing me how to make some vegan recipes, which is an area that I fall a little bit short. And in this video we're going to be showing you how to make a carrot cake. This beautiful carrot cake here with turmeric buttercream. So if you're ready, Laura, we'll get started.
We're going to prep the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients separately because of the raising agent. Once they're combined, it'll start working. So we've got 320 ml of plant-based milk. I use oat or soy.
Could you use anything else, like almond or anything like that, or is it just this?
Yeah, absolutely. You can use almond
So any
milk.
sort of
Plant-based.
vegan-based milk.
So pop that in here.
Yeah.
And then you've got 180 of maple syrup. I'm going to get you to cut those dried apricots.
Okay.
We've got about, probably about 2 tablespoons there.
Any way in particular?
No, just give them a rough old chop.
Okay.
And then we add it to the mixture. I'm going to pop a little bit of vanilla essence in. We're going to pop the dried apricots in here.
Okay.
We're going to add 450 grams of grated, that's a bit of a big bit, which we pre-grated because nobody wants to watch carrot beans.
Yeah. Nobody wants to grate them either, to be honest.
This is the plain flour.
Right.
You can make it with gluten-free as well.
Okay.
If you so wish. We've got cinnamon, ground cardamom, I put in mine.
Ooh,
Bicarbonate of soda and baking powder. So these two are what is going to activate the rising sort of element of it. I always put as well a touch of moulding salt in all my cupcakes.
All right, okay.
I really like just adding a bit of salt.
I always add a bit of salt to my bacon.
So we're going to add the dry to the liquid, and then basically it's a case of mixing it together, giving a good old mix, popping it in the tin, which we've, it is a 9" by 9" square tin that I use because I cut mine into rectangles.
Oh, very nice.
But you can use a round 8" if you'd like. Just grease and pop some bacon parchment in.
It smells really nice.
And
I like the cardamom.
You can play with the spices. So you can put in mixed spice.
Yeah.
You can put in ground nutmeg.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. We said that at the same time.
And you can add ground cloves as well. Careful on that.
Little bit. Yeah. I do like ground cloves though. That smells nice. Yeah. Definitely. Right. So we just pop that in.
So we'll give this a good mix now.
So this is really easy to make then?
It's really easy. It's just basically a one bowl wonder.
Yeah, but this is done to activate now, you said.
Yeah.
So we need to get it in and in the oven quite quickly.
Absolutely. So as soon as that flour and the bicarb mixes with the baking powder, it's delicious.
I'm looking forward to a slice of this.
Just make sure there are no lumps of flour.
Yeah, nice and carroty.
Exactly. I love a lot of carrot.
Well, it's not a carrot cake otherwise, is it?
Exactly.
Don't call it carrot cake if it's not enough carrot. Okay, and this now?
Yeah,
pop it in here?
Pop this into the... Push it to the sides. Make it nice and even.
And in the oven. Lovely. And how long is it going in for?
40 minutes.
We go. How long is it going in for? And what temperature did you say?
Temperature 180 degrees centigrade.
Fan?
375. Oh, 375 Fahrenheit.
Wow, I can't believe you know that off the top of your head. That's amazing. Is it fan assisted though?
Fan assisted.
180.
Yeah, for about 40 minutes, but I usually check at 30, put a skewer in if it's clean.
Lovely. Okay, can't wait. Cake time. Oh, that looks really nice. It's risen as well, isn't it? Lovely.
Yeah, that's all the bicarb and baking powder.
Oh, it smells nice.
Fresh out the oven.
Yes, that smells lovely. I really like the idea of using cardamom. That's a really nice idea.
Really nice, and it goes quite well with the icing as well.
Yeah.
So this is the way I turn things out.
Oh, okay.
In the privacy of my own house.
Nice, well-seasoned pan as well.
Exactly.
Shall I peel?
You peel away.
Look at that. That came out nice and clean and easy, didn't it? Oh,
Absolutely.
It smells beautiful. Oh, looks lush.
So we leave
Steaming hot from the oven.
Exactly. That shows you it's real.
Yes.
So we leave that now to cool completely before we ice it, otherwise the icing will all melt. So we'll leave that probably about 45 minutes to an hour.
And you can make it the day before. I quite
Exactly.
often do that. It's quite
Yeah.
nice then, and get ahead.
100%, and then just wrap it and put it in the fridge overnight.
It smells even better than it looks.
This one is now all cooled.
Yes.
We popped it onto
Time to eat it.
Yeah, definitely. We're going to ice it first though.
Oh.
Two things you can do with vegan cakes. You can use a plant-based margarine,
Yes, okay.
like a normal buttercream, and then mix it with icing sugar.
So like a hard stalk, I've heard, is vegan friendly.
hard dog Trex I sometimes use.
Right.
And then you add your sugar and your flavourings into it. So I love a sweet turmeric icing.
All right. Oh, like a turmeric latte.
Yeah.
Oh, I love
absolutely
turmeric
delicious.
lattes. They're lush.
And they look great with the carrot cake, and then we garnish it with bits of orange.
Is that what we're doing?
That's what we're doing.
Oh, I'm very excited.
Or, so the other icing you can do is
Yes.
soaked cashew nuts.
Yes.
So you soak those for 2 hours. Then you
In
blitz
water?
it in water.
Yeah.
Then you blitz them with plant-based milk and turmeric as well, and a bit of maple syrup to sweeten, and that is your alternative icing. It's a slightly more expensive version,
Yeah.
but it's really nice and nutty.
That does sound nice.
But I can give you the recipe for that.
Oh, very lucky.
So on a blue Peter, here's one I've made earlier.
So what's this? This is the vegetable,
This is the plant-based margarine.
Margarine,
Yeah,
right.
for this one. I have got a flour nozzle in
a flour nozzle. Does it have like a number or anything? Do you know?
Oh, I have absolutely no idea. I make quite a lot of icing,
Yeah, I can see. Yeah.
and then
Air bubble.
I usually just like this.
Like little ruffles.
Exactly.
And like, I think you could use any nozzle, or you could even spatula it on if you wanted to at home, couldn't you?
Yeah.
Like a tray bake,
Yeah.
or individual cupcakes like this would be really nice. You know,
Exactly.
I think with cakes it's just quite nice because there is no hard and fast rules, whereas with cooking it's quite, you know,
Exactly.
it's all like
Completely
little
make it your
pretty
own.
things.
It's just quite nice to do different sizes. I mean, a lot of this gets covered up with fresh fruit anyway. So
Yeah.
I just quite like having it sometimes. Got some segmented orange as well.
Yes, that
which
looks
we
nice.
Just pop all over.
Lovely. And is this fresh orange, is it?
This is
That
fresh
you have
orange.
segmented far better than I ever could.
I did this slightly earlier.
I think I would have put some tinned orange and put it on.
And I pop on some sugar crystals. You can get these
They look really pretty.
from Waitrose. So there's just a bit of crunch and texture. I just sprinkle those on, and then to finish it,
Yes.
I pop on a few edible flowers.
Oh my gosh, I love edible flowers.
So we grow all our own,
Oh, nice.
as much as we can anyway. We have a tray of violas,
Oh,
which we then plant out and then keep regrowing. So it changes seasonally, but this is what we have for now. So we're going to take a few.
I love flowers on cakes. So can I put some of these on?
Of course
I
you
just
can,
want to
yeah.
fiddle around.
Okay, so we pop these on.
Oh, look at this, and there's such a pretty one.
That's really pretty. And I love these ones.
Yeah, they're all really nice. Got a nice selection. That looks beautiful.
And then that's our little cake.
Lovely. And now we get to try it.
Exactly. Now we go.
So it's time for tasting. I'm very
Yay.
excited. Right, so we're going to cut these into sort of squares, are we?
Yeah, well.
Do you want to do the cutting?
No, I trust you.
Oh, okay.
So usually I just cut it in half
Yeah.
and then cut slivers.
Oh,
down.
okay.
But there are no rules. See, great job.
So that's my piece, and that one's yours, is it?
Perfect. It's a real treat cake.
I'm looking forward to it. Cake time.
You go
Right.
first.
Thank you. I was going to anyway.
It's quite dense and moist. You
Moist.
can see from the middle.
Oh my god. I absolutely love the turmeric in there.
A bit different.
And the cake is really nice. It's like quite subtle and it is very, very moist, but the star for me has got to be that turmeric. I think that's amazing. I've never thought of putting turmeric in a buttercream. I'm going to steal that, you know.
Yeah, absolutely.
Everyone's going to have turmeric buttercream from now on. Well, thank you very, very, very much for letting me come and cook in your kitchen. I've had a lovely time.
Pleasure.
And showed me how to make some vegan cakes. I'm going to be giving these a go now when I go home. If you do fancy making this lovely vegan carrot cake with the turmeric buttercream, then the recipe will be down below. Laura's kindly said that we can give that out to you all. And if you do make it, please copy us into any post or comment down below. I'd love to see your pictures. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps the channel go. And if you did like the video, please leave me a big thumbs up. If there's anything else you want to see me making, leave me a comment down below and I will do my best to get a video out. Thanks very much, and thanks again, Laura.
Pleasure, anytime.
Bye!